Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. First of all, I am so sorry for my voice. I still haven't really fully recovered. If you've watched my vlogs, then you know, unfortunately became sick. I have a sore throat, and but it's not COVID, by the way. I did get tested, and it's just, I think, because of the sudden change of the weather. Because in my country the weather changes are just like very, 2 weeks ago it was like 2 degrees, and then last week, and now it has been 12 degrees. So so if you hear my voice is like a bit hoarse, then that's why. I want to film and get ready with me today. I'm gonna do my makeup, hair and outfit. I just felt like it, and I haven't done it in a long time. I already did my skincare, and yes, as you can see, I went even shorter with my hair. I got a cut yesterday, and yeah, and I actually really like how it looks. And I'm gonna do my hair after I've finished my makeup, and I've already put on my outfit, but you won't see it until the end of the video. So yeah, I'm gonna do my makeup now. If you like this video, then make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you've liked it, then of course subscribe. And okay, enough rambling, let's get on with this video. Okay, so I'm gonna start priming my face, and I'm using these primers at the moment. This is the NYX Marshmallow Primer and the Benefit Professional. I'm gonna use the marshmallow one first. It smells so good, literally like marshmallows. I actually never eat marshmallows because they use pork gelatin, so I don't eat that. I'm gonna put this all over my face. Feels so soft, and woo, as if you're putting on marshmallow cream on your face, which is sort of is, I guess. And it really smoothens everything, which I love, but not as much as the Benefit Professional. And then I'm gonna use the Benefit one, but I actually only gonna focus it on the T-zone. I don't put this all over my face. So just on the places where I get oily. I've changed the settings of my light. I felt like my last video was too bright, so I changed the settings. I hope it's fine. If not, then I'll just fix it again for the next video. Now I'm gonna use Tinted Moisturizer. I've actually have not been wearing foundation for a while because I really want to just wear something lightweight on my face rather than something full coverage. I don't know, I just have those phases where I just prefer a light tinted moisturizer, and I use this from Laura Mercier. actually not going anywhere today because first of all, I still need to recover from my sickness, and second of all, I just didn't make any plans, even though I'm the type of person who really likes to make use out of my makeup and hair and outfit whenever I wear something nice. It's just also lockdown really taught me, and this whole pandemic, you don't always need an occasion to wear something. I've just had many times during lockdowns I just did my hair and makeup and I just took it off like after I've taken pictures because I literally no occasion to wear it. So yeah, maybe I'm gonna go outside and send away my sales because I sold some more photo cards this week, but it's just this week was being too hectic, so I didn't even pack them yet. So maybe after this video I'll pack them and I send them away right after. We'll see, don't quote me on that. And also I was thinking to go to the city, but that's like a 20-minute travel for me, and because I have a full card at Starbucks, like this full stamp card, and when your card is full you get a free drink, and I was like maybe I can use it today, but to be honest I don't know if it's a good idea to go outside at all with me being sick. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna edit this video right away after I finish filming. Obviously I'm gonna take photos and stuff, but yeah, I guess we'll just have to see. I'm actually filming this quite late. Well, not late, it's literally 2:45 right now, but I had Korean class this morning, so, and I didn't want to film it before because then I had to get up way too early and I didn't want that. I'm actually following Korean classes online. Right after the class was finished, I had my lunch and then I was already filming. So I'm gonna take what's left on my sponge, just like in my eyelids. Like, I'm gonna wear eyeshadow, I think, and then use eyeliner made of eyeshadow because I haven't worn eyeliner in such a long time. I think literally the last time I wore eyeliner was back in 2021. Filming this today on the 12th of March, which is the same day BTS is performing in Seoul. It's the Permission to Dance stage, and everywhere around the world they are airing it in cinemas. I decided not to go because then I literally had to be at the cinema at 9 in the morning and I had Korean class anyway. Well, I could have skipped, but to be honest, personally, I just didn't feel like it was worth it to skip my class. So I'm always using the same products for my brows. It is the MAC brow pencil and this Benefit brow gel, and then I always use the Bobbi Brown creamy concealer to carve under it because I like to have my brows to look neat and sharp. I'm gonna powder everything with the Laura Mercier powder, but there's barely like anything left in here, so I'm gonna see what I can use though. You guys are probably thinking, oh, you're always using the same makeup products in every video. I try to like switch it up, but it's just your girl doesn't have all the money in the world to buy new products every single time. I actually do have multiple products of one thing. Like I have multiple powders, for example, but I just like and prefer using this one. Okay, this one's basically run out, so I'm gonna use my Kylie Cosmetics one. I bought it before she like revamped her whole makeup line, so I don't know if this still exists. I think she relaunched it recently, this powder, so yeah, I think she did. But yeah, I love the Laura Mercier powder so much, but like I need to use this more as well. It's just the Kylie one, in my opinion, like leaves this. What did just happen? It's like sort of separated here. Or is my sponge too wet? Is that it? Oh my god. I'll see how I'll fix that, but maybe you cannot see it on camera. Oh no, I think you can. Like over here. Ugh, I hate this. Maybe this is a sign I should buy another Laura Mercier powder anyway. Okay, so I'm using my MAC Studio Fix powder, which is the other powder I talked about. And then just like use this as a powder foundation. Because even also with the Laura Mercier powder, sometimes the powder looks too ashy in my opinion. But not too much. Oh my god, it's just literally still there and somehow I just cannot fix this. I hope with the rest of the makeup that I'm gonna put on, you won't notice it as much. I also forgot to put on my lip balm. This is the NARS Orgasm Lip Balm. I love it so much. I'm gonna be contouring with the Bobbi Brown bronzer in Natural. And just applying this. And then for my bronzer, I use the Kylie Cosmetics bronzer in Khaki. It's not too warm, which I really like. But it's not too cool either. It's like a neutral tone, but still like going to the warm side, I guess. So it really gives me that nice sun-kissed bronze look without looking orange. I have this beautiful palette from NYX. It's the Mitchy palette. I don't know how long this exists. Like, I got it off the Douglas website. It looks like this. It has like eyeshadows, blush and highlighter. I've been using the blush a lot lately. To be careful with it though, because it's very, very pigmented. I remember the first time I was using this in a video, I was like shocked with how pigmented it was. Like, and before I'm gonna go in with my highlighter, I'm gonna set everything with the NYX matte setting spray. Okay, now I'm going in with the highlighter and I'm using this NYX Born to Glow palette. And I'm gonna use this gold one. I used to like mix these and these two together. Now I'm just going for the gold one instead. I apply this not only on the cheekbones, but also like on my forehead, on my nose, and also on my chin and on my cupid's bow like this. I've zoomed in now and I'm going to use the NYX Ultimate Edit palette. This is the Warm Neutrals one. I also have the bigger one, but I just wanted to use the small one for today. I'm just going to start with this base color right here. And just apply this all over my lid. Here, you can barely see it. This is a very nice color if you just want to go for a natural eyeshadow. And now I'm going to mix these two shades together for that brown eyeliner look. I don't know if it's going to flop or not because I haven't done this in a very long time. So, wait, I need a close-up mirror for this. Oh, okay. This went alright. I shouldn't jinx though. I shouldn't jinx myself. And that's that. I think I'm just gonna keep it like this and not drag it all the way down. I'm just gonna, what's left on here, just like drag it down a little bit over here. And I'm gonna use the three colors that I've used on the lid, so the base color and the other two colors. Just gonna mix them together and just apply it under the eyes. And I'm only focusing it on the like inner outer part, I guess. Yeah, the outer part. Okay, my battery is dying, so I'm gonna do my lashes and my mascara off camera and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I did my lashes and my mascara off camera. And I also put some mascara on the bottom lashes and I really like it. So I'm gonna set my face with the Radiant Spray from NYX. I'm gonna do my lips now. I'm gonna use MAC Subculture Lip Liner. I should try not to overline because I used to do that a lot like 2 years ago. I'm gonna color my whole lip in with this. And on top of that, I'm gonna use MAC Honey Love. This used to be one of my favorite lipsticks a few years ago. Only focusing it on the middle of my lips. It really gives that like soft plumpy effect, if you know what I mean. So yeah, that was it for my makeup actually. I really love how it looks. It's very like neutral toned with a brown eyeliner, which I really like. Obviously my lashes are big, which doesn't make it like any natural or anything, but I just like the colors. It's mostly like brown tones, nude tones, which I really like, and it really fits with my outfit. So yeah, I'm gonna do my hair now. I'm gonna do something pretty simple. I was thinking of doing a half down. Oh yeah, I don't know if you can tell, but I got my helix pierced like on Wednesday, and I really love it. Like, it really doesn't hurt as much, only when I go to sleep and I try to lay on it then it hurts, but other than that it didn't hurt as much. Okay, this looks better, so there's not too much space here in between, if you know what I mean. So yeah, I just like it like that. Apply my earrings real fast, and then I'm gonna show you guys my outfit. So this is the outfit that I went for this look. It looks like very like how do you say it? It looks so formal with the blazer and stuff, but I actually really like this look. So yeah, my blazer is from H&M. I actually bought it a few days ago, and I really like the color, and it's like perfect. I actually find this outfit like pretty perfect for like school or work, or doesn't matter what you're doing. Like, I know it looks kind of formal, but I think it like also looks a bit casual at the same time. So yeah, this is the blazer. My top is from H&M. My jeans are from Primark, and this belt is from ASOS. And obviously I'm not wearing shoes inside, but if I would wear shoes with this outfit, then I think I would just wear my Nike white Air Forces, just to make it a bit more like sporty and casual. So yeah, this is basically my look for today. And again, I have no idea what I'm gonna do, but I don't think I'm gonna go anywhere though, not like anything special. So yeah, that was my get ready with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked, and of course subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time in a new video. Bye bye.